Hi, and welcome back to yet another video of Kshitiz Bhatnagar, and I'm gonna be your host for the next couple of minutes, and I'm gonna try my best to make that time really happy for you.
Tell, never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before. Need you.
For today's video, we're gonna talk about some of the factors that might help you understand the people you're sitting with, understand your group, and how you can understand actually कि वो तुम्हारा group कहाँ जा रहा है and how to choose good people. So this was one thing that I actually understood when I met my best friend. Okay, he taught me a lot of things, but one of the biggest things that he taught me was to dream bigger than if the people around you, if your friend circle does not have dreams that scares the shit out of them, that makes them afraid, you're in the wrong group. Secondly, if you feel that you're the wisest, you're the most intelligent person in that group, again you're in the wrong group. You're not learning anything there. Why? Okay, so if you feel that you're the wisest and you're the smartest person in that group, there is nothing more to learn. मतलब उस group में there is not even a single person who can teach you anything new, who can motivate you further. No, आप वहाँ पे आके आपकी knowledge becomes stagnant, एक ही उस पर चलेगी. And that is when you know that you're in the wrong group, जो नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है? That is the second thing and one of the most important things. Thirdly, if your group is talking about growing, talking about growth, talking about projects, new ideas, and not is just satisfied with what they have right now, because I've had a couple of friends who are actually satisfied with what they are right now, at what place they are right now and what they are earning, which is not a good thing. Again, you should understand that with those friends around you, just a frog in the well, and this might not turn out too good for you. So change them, change your friends, even though they are the closest. Okay, if you can't change your friends, at least keep some distance so that they are not close enough to influence your decision making, influence your personality. And so these are couple of things that I learned from my best friend. And while I was with a group that was totally stagnant, which had no future motives, nothing to challenge them, I was with him, my friend, who always motivated me to grow further, to have dreams that scares the shit out of me कि मैं वहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचूँगा, which is good, which that completely motivates me to work even harder than I am right now. And he has motivated me to do a lot of things that I never had the courage to do. So that is how a good circle looks like. Similarly, you have to find your group. You have to encourage, or maybe you can be that person who changes the dynamics of your friends group and keep them all motivated. You can be that friend. I've seen this happening, that people around me, my new friends group, there are people who get motivated from the things I do, and I get motivated from the things they do. So it's a two-way street, which actually turns out to be a really good thing for you in the longer run. So these are a couple of factors you need to keep in mind to understand what kind of group you are in. And even if you think that it is something that might not affect you right now, but trust me, it will affect you in the longer run, because it is coming totally from experience. I've seen it. I've experienced my life getting stagnant. I've experienced my life. I've been at a place where I felt that my life came to a pause, and I cannot, grow any further. So I had, this one time when I was sitting right at one place. I had this routine where I spent 2-3 hours sitting with friends, doing nothing literally, and just laughing about stupid shit. And today, cut to today, I try my best to make the best out of my day, to try and make my day as productive as I can. So a lot has changed since then, and this is only because that I let my mind get influenced from the right people. And I'm not just talking about my best friend here. There are some people in my life who has motivated me all the way along to survive some difficult situations, that they have motivated me that I can get through them too. If they could, I can get through them too. So you need to understand what kind of group you are in. It will come in handy in the longer run. So with that said, maybe it was a total educational video for today, but I was in that kind of mood. I don't know, because it's Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, which is making me very sad, really sad, because again, that normal monotonous life. But I'll try every single day of the weekday to make it as fun as it could be. So I'll try making a video again tomorrow, even if I can't. Please understand that I was very, very busy doing some other project. So I'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.